back and I am here to make your most requested video. Actually, no one asked for it. In this video, I'll teach you how I prepare myself for the day and transform my face from this to this. Usang-uso yung mga ganito na fresh lang yet palaban na look, ready to face the dreaded day ahead. So, let me share with you how I do it. Let's begin by preparing our base. Since nasa bahay lang naman tayo, I want to keep things light. And what better way to start your day than to dust off your problems of yesterday? I don't really like using concealers because I like seeing my battle scars and dark spots of yesterday. And today is a new day. Wag mo na OA. Chill lang, relax lang, light lang, but without completely forgetting about our past struggles. Next, I like to frame my face and my mindset by doing my keyline. I like to fill in my brows with the right amount of tasks to do for the day. I am so tired of overworking myself. We're in a pandemic, so carry lang. Kahit take things one at a time. I like to outline it first with the essential things to do and then fill the rest with focus so I can achieve my target goals. Siyempre, dapat pantay lang. May time for work, may time pa rin for rest, family, friends, and other recreational activities or home responsibilities. The next thing I like to do is my eyes. Since I have chinita eyes, I want to open them up by painting them with the realities of life. And so I check the latest news to keep myself updated. Pwedeng optional lang tong step na to bilang nasa bahay lang naman tayo. I know there are days na hindi natin feel makinig or magbasa ng news, and it's okay. Again, we're in a pandemic. But it is still crucial to get back on track whenever you're ready. Now, to keep things in control, I like to line my sides with limits so I don't get overboard with negativities. Aminin, every day na lang may pasabog sa Pinas. So, let's always know when to stop. Because if not, tayo ang magbe-breakdown and cry, and we don't want that to happen. Always end your eyeliner with little wings so you look like a cat. And cats are what you need after reading that news. Then, don't forget to brighten up your eyes by finding a little spark for the day. Minsan, this could be challenging to do, but the tip is to just look straight ahead. Imagine your dream house, your dream car, your crush, your inspiration, or a better Pilipinas with great leaders who have big hearts for the country and the Filipino people. Someday, someday, someday. O, diba? Nakaka-excite. Now, it is not only important to fill our eyes and our head with updates and information about things that matter. Dapat, everything matches our lips or what we say. So, don't forget to add that tint on your lips. Make sure na hindi mo malilimutan to make it pink and healthy. I use tint because I want to appear as natural as possible. I don't want to be pretentious speaking about things I don't know or care about, speak ill about someone, or try hard to sound like anybody else. Natural lang, but still ready to call out someone when they deserve to be called out. It is also important to add some blush on your cheeks. Hindi naman pwedeng start pa lang ng day as super pale and washed out mo na. So don't forget to start your day with a smile. Share your smile with everyone. wag grumpy. But wag naman masyadong sobra dahil baka magmukha ka ng clown to the point na nakakatakot na. Like when people with power abused the Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020. Scary, di ba? Okay, ang dami ko na sinasabi, but we're here sa last step. To finish off the whole look, I like to highlight the important things, such as finding the right balance between living one day at a time while also giving your best each day. If this pandemic has taught me one thing, that is life is short and we should always strive to live each day with no regrets. And not doing anything productive for the day is not something to be ashamed of. If that's how you cope with everything that's happening, then be it. I know that you'll get back on your feet again. And when that time comes that you feel better, laban lang ulit. And that's how I prepare myself for the day. Obviously, I'm not a makeup expert but I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Minsan okay din magmaganda kahit nasa bahay ka lang para maiba naman, ma-inspire ka at hindi ma-expire ang mga makeup. The majority of products I use in this tutorial are local products and I am here to encourage you to support local. We have quality products and services that we can be proud of if we'll only give them a chance. Do you have a favorite local product, as in made from the Philippines? Any category, kahit ano. Please share them with me in the comment section below. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Inah. Take care of yourself and the people around you. Stay at home. Help others if you can. And